has your day been? Maybe it's been busy. Maybe it's been difficult. Or maybe it's just been one of those ordinary days. Whatever today has been like, you've made it here. And for the next few minutes, there's nowhere else you need to be. Now, find a comfortable position to sit. Nothing needs to be perfect. Just a place where you can be with yourself for a few minutes. Go ahead and sit down. Relax the shoulders. Rest your hands wherever they feel natural. And if you'd like, gently close your eyes. Take one slow breath in and a soft breath out. And one more breath, allowing the body to settle. Allowing yourself to arrive here. For now, there's nothing you need to change. Nothing you need to figure out. Just taking a moment to be here. Today, we're paying a little more attention to emotions. Emotions can show up in many different ways. There may be joy, sadness, anxiety, frustration, excitement, stress, relief, or sometimes just a sense of emptiness without really knowing what it is. And emotions don't only appear in thoughts. They're often felt somewhere in the body. Some people feel emotions in the belly. Others notice them in the chest, the throat, or the face. There's no need to find the right place. Just gently notice where the emotion seems to be living right now. Now, bring your attention to the chest or the belly. These are often the places where emotions are felt most clearly. As you breathe in, notice if this area opens slightly. And as you breathe out, see if it can soften just a little. And if an emotion appears, simply recognize that it's here. No need to name it. No need to analyze it. No need to ask why. Just knowing that something is being felt. And if no strong emotion appears right now, that's completely okay too. You're not doing anything wrong. If discomfort appears, a little sadness or anxiety, see if you can allow it to be here for a few moments. No need to push it away immediately. In meditation, we're not trying to solve emotions. We're simply learning how to listen to them. If an emotion becomes stronger, just notice that it's becoming stronger. If it softens, notice that too. And if it changes into something else, simply notice that it's changing. There's no need to interfere. Breathing in and breathing out. And if thoughts begin to appear, that's completely normal too. Thoughts and emotions often move together. And when you notice yourself thinking, gently acknowledge it. Thinking. And then return again to the feeling in the body. And if emotions begin to feel overwhelming, gently widen your attention to the whole body. The body is still here. The breath is still moving. And emotions will pass in their own time. We'll stay here for a few more moments. Nothing to solve, nothing to demand, nothing to fix. Now, allow your awareness to expand to the whole body. From head to toe, the body is still here. And whatever you may be feeling right now, you do not need to become someone else. Just knowing that you are here, in this body, and in this moment. And whenever you feel ready, take one fresh breath in and gently breathe out. Begin to softly move the fingers and the toes. And slowly open your eyes, returning your awareness to the space around you. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Whatever you're feeling, you don't need to push it away. And you don't need to hold on to it either. For now, simply allowing it to be here. Thank you for practicing with me today.